The Black Stewart Tartan Kilt is a timeless expression of Scottish heritage, combining tradition, craftsmanship, and distinctive style. Recognized for its striking black base, accented with red, green, yellow, and white lines, the Black Stewart Tartan creates a bold and sophisticated appearance. Its rich colors and balanced pattern make it one of the most recognizable tartan designs, admired for both its traditional roots and modern appeal. A kilt is more than a piece of clothing. It represents pride, identity, and a connection to centuries of Scottish culture. The Black Stewart Tartan carries that tradition forward while offering a refined look suitable for today's wearer. Crafted using premium tartan fabric, every kilt is designed to deliver comfort, durability, and a clean, structured appearance. Attention to detail ensures that the pattern remains balanced, creating a polished finish that reflects true quality. The darker tones of the Black Stewart Tartan give it a versatile character. It looks equally impressive at weddings, formal events, Highland gatherings, cultural celebrations, and modern occasions. Its bold design creates a strong presence while maintaining an elegant and timeless feel. At Scottish Kilt Shop, we are committed to delivering exceptional quality and authentic craftsmanship. Every kilt is created with care, using high-quality materials and professional standards to ensure a premium result. The Black Stewart Tartan is a design that blends heritage with confidence, tradition with style, and craftsmanship with lasting quality. It is a tartan that continues to be appreciated by those who value authenticity and timeless fashion. Discover the tradition, experience the quality, and make a statement with the Black Stewart Tartan Kilt. Shop now at Scottish Kilt Shop and explore premium tartan kilts inspired by Scotland's proud heritage.